Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get the water key really fast here in Blox, because it's just a quick summarization and really quick to follow. So the water key is one of the requirements to obtain Sharkman Karate. So this item can be obtained by defeating the level 1475 boss, the Tidekeeper, aka, who's located in the back of the Forgotten Island. So just lay your maps out for the Forgotten Island and battle with the boss there on a trivial combat where you're going to have to be defeated a couple of times, because of course it's a boss fight, so you're not just going to get that easy. Okay, so just basically defeat the boss. Once you do, it doesn't matter if you do it night or day. This is a common misconception to a lot of people, say that you'd have to do it on daytime, but that's not actually the case. So thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.